out that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that.
What's up, y'all? It's me, Sarah. This video is just gonna be, y'all gonna see the whole nine. Me getting dressed because today's my man's birthday. This video is gonna be posted on my channel. I have a separate channel as well. Me and him have a couples channel, and I'll be posting the vlog video. I'm gonna have a vlog of me surprising him on my birthday, but I'm gonna just post this video of me, you know, showing y'all how I do the wig. This is my work wig. I usually slap it on, but whenever my hair is not done, I literally slap this on too. So it's looking, it looked like I've been wearing it to work, so it looks all frizzy and stuff. There's a little bit of waves and stuff, but trust me, baby, when I style this wig, y'all are gonna be like, Sarah, give us the tea, and I'm gonna give you the tea, how I do it, how I make it look pretty. The easiest thing ever with the cheapest products as well. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting constantly on this channel. I've been on a roll with posting on our couples channel and on my business pages and TikToks. I've been busy, y'all. I'm sorry. I haven't been consistent with my YouTube channel, and as I should. So yeah, this is this wig. This wig is from Unice hair. It's a half wig. It was 16 inches. I cut it. So it's basically like 12 or like, I don't know. I cut it a couple inches. So that's why it's all even layer. Before anything, you want to comb it out. You want to comb that baby. Like, you want to comb it out, brush it out. A brush is better because this junk is nappy. Hold on. If you see a mess in the background, it's because I was filming TikToks for my business page. If you don't know what my business is, I sell jewelry. Here's an example of the jewelry I sell. Get into it. Like, I sell bangles. Let me see if I can lower this down. Get into the jewelry. So if you guys want to purchase, my store is called Speaking of Bangles. The link is going to be in the description with all my other business social medias as well. Look at this. Charm ASMR. And I saw everything bougie as well, like designer bracelets. Y'all, let me show y'all what I got. See the little LV, the little Chanel and stuff. Period. And y'all see this? I also sell croc charms as well. So get into my store. Like, I'm hooking y'all up for the low too. You can get 12 for 10. It's 12 for $10 croc charms. And then the bangles and stuff, bangle sets. I know how Alex and Annie love to price y'all. That's why I'm hooking y'all up. Like, Alex and Annie's bracelets be like $80 for 4 of them. 4 bracelets for me is like $20. Let's get back to the video. Brush it out. I'm just gonna show y'all me brushing it. And the reason why this wig is so nappy is because of me. I just don't take care of it. I honestly don't. If I took care of it like the rest of my wigs, it would not be like this. So it smells like burnt hair, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. We have this curling iron here. It's the Remington curling iron. I forgot what inch is this, but it's from Walmart. It was like, I think $15. $360. We're gonna put it to $410. Okay, so this is the best setup I can do. I'm sorry for my room. It looks like a mess. This is my business area, literally, y'all. So I'm just gonna section it off. So what I like to do is I like to, let me flip it this way so y'all can see. So I like to section off this piece. The two front pieces, I like to do this because this is like literally the biggest area you want it to be big at. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Get your curling wand, and I like to curl from this way because you want this area to be big. Curl, curl. This is really hard doing it on camera. I don't know. I always mess up on camera. What you're gonna do is grab your clips and make sure you hold it so like all the heat could just go. So I'm just gonna slip through here, and literally that is it, y'all. And then the longer you let it like sit in this pin position, the better like it'll stay all day. Just like section it like this in big chunks. Literally in big chunks. Got to be freeze spray. I know this is bad for hair, but we're just gonna use a little bit. Aim.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give